My video guide is about removing a fake human verification alerts that come from the site Kmodukuleqasfo.info. Frankly speaking, this site doesn't make any sense at all. And this site is extremely dangerous and malicious. It tries to mislead users and to make them click on allow, supposedly to help them verify that they are humans and not robots. To click on allow, though, is a serious mistake, and this would hijack the browser with plenty of intrusive advertisements. To deactivate these ads, this is what you should do. Access the menu, go to Settings, click on Privacy and Security, go down to Site Settings, and in Permissions, choose Notifications. Pay attention to the sites allowed to send notifications, so remove this malicious site from the list. Carefully make sure you get rid of this junk site. I would also recommend that you research the system with a combo cleaner antivirus, which you may get on the page combocleaner.com. So download the software, install it, and then start researching the system. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, for the first time the program will be initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available. So you need to click on Start Scan button, and then the scanning will immediately begin. But most likely, of course, the program should first of all update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. So don't skip that important step if Combo Cleaner suggests you to update its antivirus database. Then the scanning itself will take place. The scanning duration depends on various factors. It may depend on how infected the computer is. It may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned at the same time. And it may depend on other factors too, of course. Combo Cleaner will give you the summary of all the threats which were revealed during the scan at the end of the scan. I want to emphasize your attention on several features, for instance anti-ransomware feature, which will always protect your files against ransomware attacks. This feature is the part of the premium license though. So you need to wait a certain amount of time until the scanning has been successfully finalized by Combo Cleaner. At the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the threats which were revealed on your computer. Of course, some threats can be removed manually. However, we recommend that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner to make sure your computer is always under decent protection.